Hey, what's up guys? So today I have here a cabin air filter. It's for a 2019 Kia Rio S. This is from BioTrust. Cabin filter, conditioning filter element. So basically they say to change this 12, 15 or 30,000 or something like that. Look in your manual, it'll tell you exactly, or find the cabin filter in your car and check it how it looks, or if you get an order so it's time to change it. So in the end of the video, I will show you exactly how to change a 2019 Kia Rio cabin filter. So it comes in a nice little box like this. Get it open. Okay, in the box. In the box you'll get a little card like this. This is basically you put your date and your mileage, so you can remember when you changed it. This is your filter. When you place it in, you make sure the up is up. I will show you exactly how to replace it. And this is your manual. The manual basically says 12,000 miles. At least once a year, every 12,000 miles, whichever one come first. So it right here will tell you exactly how to do everything. I'll show you how to do everything. Well, now I'm gonna replace in the car. Check it out. Okay guys, so this is the Kia Rio. See from the outside. The Kia Rio Sport. Okay, so your cabin filter would basically be in your under your glove department. So you got your glove department here. You will open it up. So then you have this tab, and you have one over here. So you would turn this. Turn it until you take it out. Okay, make sure all the stuff is out of your glove department. Okay, now in your other side you have another one, and the whole glove department will come down. So you have it right over here. It has a clip on both sides. Okay, it's like a pinching clip. Okay, so you get it out. So your cabin filter will be right here. After it's out, you slide it out. And look at how bad is that. That is horrible. So this one looked like it never was replaced. So now I'm going to compare it to a new one. Okay. This is the new one. This is the old one. So please make sure you change your filter. Look at that. Horrible. That's the new one. That's the old one. It's very bad, very bad. So make sure you do change your filter. Okay? So now get it in. It said make sure that backwards. Okay. Put it in. Now you get your little clip. Clip there. Make sure it clips. Okay, just like that. Again, bring your glove department up. Get your little tabs. Make sure it locks. Get your other one, which will be on the other side. Make sure it locks, and it's all set. Cabin filter is changed, but this is very bad. Very bad. And when it's original, you have name in the front. You can see this one's original. The other one wasn't original, but it's good enough. Perfect. So now I will grab the little card that it came and put this exact date and mileage. Well, that's it.